Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's do an updated review on the Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag in the size large. So I did get this about 3 or 4 months ago, and I just love using it. Do I think it's worth the hype? Yes, I actually do, just because this bag has held up so well. I brought it with me to the Philippines. I bring it with me to the gym every now and then, and it just looks so good. It's really easy to clean, and I really don't have to be so careful with it just because of its material, and I just feel like it's so easy to clean if something does like get on it. I don't have to worry about bringing it in the rain or somewhere where it's going to get wet because it's made out of something that's water resistant. But yeah, this is such a great bag. I'm really happy that I decided to get one. I just think it's going to last me a really long time. When I got this one, I let my mom borrow it when she went on a European cruise, and she loved it so much that she asked for one for Christmas. So I ended up getting her the red one. And then because I like this one so much, I decided to get myself one of the fleece bags. So I chose the one that's in this burnt caramel color. And I love this just for the winter time. It's not as carefree as like the nylon one, but, oh, I have lip liner in here. But it really does fit a lot less than the large. So I love this one because it fits so much, and this one literally fits just the essentials. I think just like my phone, key pouch, a lip product, and maybe something else. But this one I really just love actually for bringing to the gym, because if I want, this one actually is large enough to like fit inside a folded up towel or like my gym barbell clips if I wanted to. I can fit my wallet, my husband's wallet, my phone, my husband's phone. So yeah, this one can fit a lot. So yeah, that's why I just love bringing this one with me to the gym or just like any other errands. And then when I went to the Philippines, this one here was such a great piece to have, just because I have coins in here. This one was such a great piece to have because I love the back pocket on this. It's really great for like passports and any important documents that you just want to carry around and you don't want to leave like in the hotel or anything like that. So yeah, I love this. It's such a perfect size, and definitely think it's worth the hype and every penny that I spent on it, because I have gotten a lot of use out of this bag so far. So as far as like how I prefer to wear this one, I actually don't prefer wearing it around my chest like this. Whenever I wear the belt bag, I really like wearing it around my waist, and I just find that it's just so much easier to like get in and out of the bag. And I remember making like in my old video about like when I first got this one, that I thought it was just too big to be wearing around my waist. Well, I got over that, and I just really enjoy wearing it around my waist. Although I think the Everywhere, like the normal size, it's a lot better around my waist because it's not so big. This one, I can't wear it all year round because this is more like a winter fall bag, hence because of the fleece. But I think right now Lululemon just released some like new colors, so I think they have like a mint, a white, and then also a really nice Java brown. I'll put a picture right over here and also link it down below. I really am feeling this color, but I'm just kind of stopping myself because I don't want to get into the habit of like buying so many belt bags and like so many bags when I only just really need like this one right here. And this one, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna get like a lot of use out of it, so maybe I will change my mind in the near future. But yeah, I really just love this Everywhere belt bag in the size large because I've really gotten so much use out of this. If you're looking for a new travel bag, I definitely think this would be a really great option, just because of the zippers, the back pocket, it can fit a lot. So yeah, definitely take this one into consideration if you're looking to buy yourself a new travel bag or even an everyday bag. This one, yeah, it's actually so good. Anyways, let me end this with giving some close-ups of the bag. So like there's no tarnishing here on the hardware, especially on like the zippers, and the zippers, they still are very smooth. I love that the large has the 2 zippers versus the 1 zipper that the Everywhere, like the normal size, does, because you can only really open this one in one way. This one you can open in both ways or whichever way you want. This one here also looks really good. It's a black zipper. Also really opens very smoothly. And then even this part right over here is still in really great condition as well. This one is also very secure, so you don't have to really worry about it coming loose. So yeah, this one is such a great bag, and if you're thinking about getting this everywhere belt bag in size large, I definitely do recommend it. If I didn't get this in large, I know there's like a really nice gray sage color that's really nice, a burnt caramel color, navy, burgundy, and just so many more that you can choose from, that if you don't want like the basic black color, there's just so many options you can choose from. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys think this bag is worth it in the comments. I sure do love mine. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!